Ever had those lazy days where you just don't want to do anything? Well, you're not alone. Today, we're going to delve into 10 DIY life hacks designed to turn those languid days into ones filled with productivity and fun. Expect to discover quick fixes, easy tips, and unconventional strategies that will change how you approach your downtime. From breakfast to beauty, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your lazy days into productive ones? Let's dive in. Starting the day right begins with a good breakfast. Picture this: a nutritious, tasty breakfast that's ready in no time. First, grab some oats, a handful of your favorite nuts, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Mix everything together and let it sit overnight in the fridge. Come morning, top it off with fresh berries or a drizzle of honey. It's as simple as that. You've prepared a delicious, balanced meal while you sleep. Now you've got a healthy breakfast without much effort. Tired of the everyday cleaning routine? Well, here's a simple hack that'll save you both time and effort. Ever thought about using a dishwasher tablet for more than just dishes? Drop one of those into a spray bottle filled with warm water. Give it a shake and let it dissolve. Now you've got an all-purpose cleaner that's perfect for tackling grimy surfaces around the house. And the best part? It's budget-friendly and incredibly effective. Cleaning has just become less of a chore. Exercise doesn't have to be strenuous. Let's dive into a quick routine that's perfect for those lazy days. Start with a simple stretch, reach for the skies and touch your toes. Next, jump into a minute of jumping jacks. Follow this with a brisk walk around your living room or even on the spot. Finish off with a calming breathing exercise. Inhale deeply, hold for a couple of seconds, and exhale slowly. And there you have it, a quick exercise routine for lazy days. Who said you can't exercise on a lazy day? Organizing can be a daunting task, but let's simplify it with this DIY hack. Start by identifying categories for your stuff. You'd be surprised how much easier it is to find things when they're sorted by type. Next, use containers you already have. Old shoe boxes, perfect for storing books or craft supplies. Lastly, label everything. Not just on the top, but on the sides too. This way you can see what's inside no matter how it's stacked. Organization made easy. Relaxation is key on lazy days. Imagine transforming your home into a calming oasis with a simple DIY relaxation technique, the homemade lavender sachet. All you need are dried lavender buds, a small cloth bag, and a ribbon. Fill the bag with lavender, tie it up, and voila! Place it under your pillow or somewhere nearby to experience a calming aroma that helps to soothe your senses. With this easy hack, relaxation is just a few steps away. Meal prep doesn't have to be time-consuming. Picture this: instead of cooking every single day, how about dedicating just 2 hours during the weekend? Cook in bulk, divide into portions, and freeze. You'll have ready-to-go meals for the entire week. Pasta dishes, stir-fries, casseroles, they all freeze well. Plus, this approach saves you money as you can buy ingredients in bulk. And guess what? No more daily dishwashing. Now isn't that a win-win? Meal prep just got a whole lot easier. Home decor can be simple and fun. Let's create a gorgeous wall art from old magazines. Gather a bunch of colorful pages, cut them into triangles, and arrange them in a pattern on a canvas. It's like piecing together a vibrant puzzle. Once you're happy with the design, just stick them on. Voila! You've got yourself a stunning piece of art that's as unique as you. And the best part? No special skills or tools required. Transform your space without breaking a sweat. Home repairs don't have to be a headache. Picture this: a loose cabinet handle. Rather than calling a handyman, grab a toothpick and some wood glue. Apply a bit of glue on the toothpick, insert it into the screw hole, then break off the excess. Allow it to dry before screwing the handle back on. The toothpick fills the gap, providing a tight fit. With this quick fix, not only do you save time, but you also get the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Home repairs made simple. Gardening can be a breeze. Here's a trick to make your green thumb shine with minimal effort. Next time you cook with eggs, don't toss the shells. Instead, crush them up and sprinkle them around your plants. This not only provides a natural barrier against pests, but also enriches the soil with calcium, promoting plant health. Plus, it's a great way to reduce kitchen waste, so give your plants a boost and make your garden flourish. Gardening made effortless. Beauty routines can be simplified. How, you may ask? Let's dive into a quick and easy DIY beauty hack that's a real time saver. Swap out your multiple skincare products with just one: coconut oil. That's right. This natural wonder can be your all-in-one makeup remover, moisturizer, and even lip balm. Now, isn't that a beauty routine game changer? No more juggling multiple products and spending a fortune. Just one jar of coconut oil and you're good to go. Beauty routines made easy. Lazy days don't have to be unproductive. We've explored 10 DIY life hacks today, from quick breakfast to easy cleaning tips, exercise routines, organization techniques, and even beauty hacks. Each one designed to turn those lazy days into productive ones without breaking a sweat. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder. So why not give these simple hacks a whirl? You might just find they're game changers. Turn your lazy days into productive ones with these simple hacks. Try them out and see the difference. We hope you found these life hacks helpful and are eager to try them out. If you did find them useful, please show your support by giving this video a thumbs up. Your likes encourage us to create more content like this. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. We're constantly creating and sharing new life hacks to make your life easier and more enjoyable. So hit that subscribe button and join our community of efficient life hackers. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing life hacks. See you in the next video.